Alright, it's that the cause, and in this video we'll be looking at ozone. We'll be looking at the formation of ozone and also the preparation of ozone. Ozone is an allotrope of oxygen containing 3 oxygen atoms. As you can see in the picture under, there's a double bond between 2 oxygen atoms. So that double bond can shift from those 2 atoms to the next 2 atoms. You call that resonance, and it exists in equilibrium. So you call resonance a phenomenon where 2 equivalent forms of a compound exist in equilibrium. Ozone is one of the compounds that exhibits resonance structure. It's an allotrope of oxygen with 3 atoms. What are the physical properties of ozone? Number 1, ozone is a pale blue gas with a sharp or shocking smell. Ozone is poisonous at high concentration. What are the chemical properties of ozone? Number 1, ozone decomposes on heating to oxygen. It decomposes rapidly to oxygen at high temperature, and it's a very strong oxidizing agent. In fact, it is stronger oxidizing agent than oxygen and also hydrogen peroxide. As you can see in this equation under, how ozone converts black lead-2 sulfide to white lead-2 sulfate, releasing oxygen in the process. How do you prepare ozone? Ozone is prepared by passing dry oxygen through a silent electric discharge, and the reaction is actually reversible, so it must be silent to prevent the decomposition of that ozone back to oxygen. And the sharp odor, the shocking smell that you normally perceive around a sparking electrical equipment is due to ozone. So ozone is normally the compound that causes that sharp odor that you observe during electric spark. Alright, what are the uses of ozone? Number 1, ozone is used as a bleaching agent for oil, waxes, fabrics, and starch. Most oxidizing substances are bleaching agents, and because ozone has a very high oxidizing property, it can also be used as bleaching agent to remove colors from dyes and fabrics and other compounds like oil, waxes, and starch. Ozone is also used as a disinfectant in water purification. It can be used to purify water. If you bubble ozone into water, it acts like the chlorination process. It kills germ. Just like chlorine kills germ, ozone also kills germ. But the difference is that if you kill a germ with ozone inside water, another germ can still infect that water. But if you use chlorine to kill a germ, there's always a residual chlorine in the water that will kill future germs that want to find its way into that water. So most times you will see ozonized water being sold around you. It's to tell you that that water is treated with ozone. You can also treat water with chlorine, the more popular chlorine. So both of them act as a disinfectant in water purification. Then ozone can also be used for the treatment of sewage before you dispose it off. Ozone is also used for purification of air and for ventilation of stuffy rooms. Can be used to purify air and can act as a ventilator for stuffy rooms. You know, when it decomposes at high temperature, it releases oxygen, and that's what you need to ventilate a room. So that is why it can be used to purify air and to ventilate rooms. Also, it's used as oxidizing agent in chemical reaction. So this is all we are going to be dealing with under ozone. God bless you.